This tiny cabin house embraced a Japanese-style theme through the harmonious use of softwood hues both on its exterior and throughout the interior. The exterior features a gentle, natural wood tone that blends effortlessly with its surroundings, giving the structure a calm and inviting presence. Inside, this soft wood hue continues to dominate, creating a warm and serene atmosphere that feels both spacious and grounded. An essential quality for compact living, the choice of a bright, softwood color for the interior reflects the Japanese appreciation for natural elements and simplicity. This light yet natural palette not only enhance the visual opens of the space but also serve as a natural backdrop for the cabin's well-integrated storage solution. Practically every cabinet and storage unit within the home follows a built-in concept, maximizing the limited space available. This built-in seamlessly embed into the structure contribute to the overall aesthetic of order and minimalism, allowing the interior to remain clutter-free and highly functional without sacrificing comfort or style.